Hello, today in front of me I have TCL Tab 10s tablet, and in this video we are going to show how you can set Opera as the default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the Settings app. In here you want to find the apps category and, well, go for it. At the apps category, choose the default app section. Go for the browser app, and in here all that it's left to do is to tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here, if your device is in the landscape mode, or my bad, of course in the portrait mode, as it is in my case, you want to tap on your avatar picture at the top left corner of your screen. After that, go and select the gear icon that stands for Settings, scroll the page down for a little bit and find the default browser section. Then tap on it, click on Next, select Opera and set it as default. And that will also essentially mean that you have successfully made Opera the default app for browsing on this device already. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.